Hello there everybody, Rebecca here with you. I am Mama24. I'm back today to share with you my first haul from Wild Whisper. I'm very pleased to say that this is a Canadian-based paper crafting company. They are in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And they've also teamed up with another Canadian-based company, Emerald Creek Craft Supplies, to come out with some scented embossing powders. And I had to try it. This one is Scented Pine Dreams. This one is a beautiful forest green color. And then I also picked out their latest paper line, 6 feet apart. It's 12 by 12 papers. I believe they have 6 by 6 papers. They have ephemera packs. This one is 4 by 6 journaling cards. They do have buttons. I have my own button machine, so I could probably make some from the paper myself, so I didn't splurge on the buttons in the line. This is their take on the Canadian pandemic. I've got to see if this smells like pine. Wow, that is a gorgeous color. It almost looks flocked. I can smell it already. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. I don't know how they get the scent in there. That is so cool. I am really curious to see if it's going to keep its scent when it's heat set. I will let you know in a future video to see how that performs. That's the Pine Dreams. Big jar of that, 15 grams by Wild Whisper with Emerald Creek Craft Supplies. And then I want to go through the 6 feet apart paper pack with you. My order came in this really nice Wild Whisper. It's like a pizza box, but they've got their own stamp on it. Their website is wildwhisperdesigns.com. So they have their paper stacks available in 6 sheets. They are double-sided and you get 1 bonus design. And they do have them in like the double pack. So it would be cheaper if you'd buy the double pack. But I just wanted to get my hands on 1 of each sheet. And I'm excited to see what the bonus design is in here. So you get the cover sheet. Oh, so this is the bonus design right on the back of the packaging. That is a really great idea. You're not wasting anything. And they have their branding strip on the opposite side is usable, which is another awesome thing. This cardstock, it's glossy and it is thick. This is super high quality cardstock. It's got a really glossy texture to it. You can probably see the shine on the camera. And here is the virus. I don't want to make light of the pandemic. So here's just all kinds of things: staying connected, home, current events, new normal, homeschooling, new routine. Here is thank you frontline workers, essential services, canceled, flatten the curve. All the sayings that have evolved here now from the pandemic. Staying home, staying safe. And then the opposite side is like a colored version of the virus. Now this is Canadian here. Don't speak moistly on me. Speaking moistly, what a terrible image. For those of you who aren't Canadian, you won't really get this. Our Prime Minister in one of his speeches was saying, don't speak moistly, and then he caught himself and he says, that's a terrible image. Wake me up when hockey is back. Stay 1 moose length apart. Have any of you ever seen a moose in person? I never have. Stay the blazes home. And it just repeats. I haven't been showing you the branding strip. So this is the branding strip on that one. This one is, I just want to hug my parents. This one is pens. This is a really cool one. This is soap suds. Isn't that awesome? And then here is a computer screen. You could like do a scrapbook layout with all the Zoom people on it. And then the opposite side is somebody talk me out of cutting my own bangs. How many of you did that? I did a few times. I'm still doing it. And here is toilet paper rolls. Oh, this is so fun. Hand sanitizer, soaps, and mask. Rare find hand sanitizer. And the branding strip on this one is the toilet paper. COVID-19 and coronavirus. I can't get over how awesomely thick this paper is. This is amazing. Here's another sheet. And then there's a whole bunch of cut-aparts. I don't even know what day it is. When this is over, I still might want people to stay 6 feet away from me. Yeah, that's me. A mask, toilet paper. I love that they've done like some drawn and some like real photos. Corona cuts. Why aren't hairdressers an essential service? Stay 1 moose length apart. Practice social distancing. Coronavirus 2020, 6 feet apart. More pens, books. Don't speak moistly on me. The soap. Hand soap pump. Next, I'm going to open up the 4x6 cards, and it says these are double-sided. Oh, okay, so you get 5 4x6 cards and 12 3x4 cards. Awesome, and they are in that really, really sturdy cardstock as well. So just like smaller version of the larger papers. I love the neutral coloring on these. Speaking moistly, what a terrible image. And here, treat yourself with grace, quarantine hair, don't care. Not all heroes wear capes, but a bunch of them wear scrubs. New normal, coronavirus 2020. I don't even know what day it is. Let's stay home. What I love most about my home is who I share it with. And then here, what's the back? Oh, okay, so yeah, they're utilizing even the packaging. Isn't that great? Here are the 3x4s. Don't speak moistly on me. I just want to hug my parents. Coronavirus 2020. The soap suds. And the coronavirus or the virus. Keep calm and don't hoard. Stay 1 moose length apart. The Rare Find brand hand sanitizer. And thank you, frontline workers. Practice social distancing. Stay the blazes home. New routine. More sayings. Water tap. Books. Somebody talked me out of cutting my own bangs. 6 feet apart. Another journaling card. Easiest part. Pandemic toilet paper. Pens. And soap. Wake me up when hockey is back. And hardest part. And then the 6 feet apart ephemera pack. And it looks like it is that heavy duty cardstock again. They have really fantastic packaging. Wild Whisper is going to definitely be on my shopping list again. So here's a quick look at what is in here. And here are the bigger versions. So there's the virus. These are not double-sided, but they are the thicker cardstock. Hardest part, treat yourself with grace. Stay 1 moose length apart. Little hand soap. Flatten the curve. Pandemic. Easiest part. New routine. Keep 6 feet apart. Practice social distancing. Let's stay home. Speaking moistly, what a terrible image. Coronavirus 2020, COVID-19. Thank you, frontline workers. Don't speak moistly on me. Wake me up when hockey is back. Unprecedented times. Canceled. A book. Pen. Pandemic. Toilet paper. Another virus image. Stay the blazes home. I don't even know what day it is. A laptop, scissors, soap, pen, toilet paper. I just want to hug my parents. And quarantine hair, don't care. A pencil, a mask, Coronavirus. Somebody talked me out of cutting my own bangs. Essential Service. The Heroes one again. The Rare Find hand sanitizer. Quarantine. Toilet paper. Books. Virus. Staying home, staying safe. New normal. Virus. Keep calm and don't hoard. And lastly, social distancing. So there you have it. The new Wild Whisper 6 Feet Apart paper line. They carry a whole bunch of different kinds of paper crafting items, including the 12x12, 6x6 journaling cards, ephemera as you see here. They carry the flare. They do stamps. Link for you to shop wildwhisperdesigns.com is in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will be back with you in another video soon. Bye-bye, everybody.